Hello friends, today I am going to share my views, some knowledge of Gemini woman personality. If you want to know about the Gemini female, you must have to know that the some traits of her characteristics. Gemini female positive traits. The strength of Gemini woman lies in vibrant personality and positive outlook. These ladies are smart and can impress people with their charm. They love to travel a lot as it offers them an exciting opportunity to go to various places, meet people from diverse areas of life. Gemini women can easily get along with everyone as they are excellent at conversation and broad minded. Negative traits. They have some trouble in controlling their emotion. They have a hard time making commitment to anything such as a job or romantic partner unless and until they found that job or that person in their life which can hold their emotion at the top level of their heart. They will be nervous about entering a romantic relationship at first. Gemini women think too much and feel too little, which has some consequences in many aspects of her life. The lucky day is Wednesday. Lucky number are 5, 14, 23, 32, 41 and 50. Lucky color are pale blue and pink. Their compatible signs are Libra, Aquarius, Leo and Aries. Now, personality traits of Gemini women. Gemini born are cheerful, tactful, enthusiastic, diplomatic, versatile, witty, possess a sharp intellect, and they thrive on communication. They are wonderful, sociable being, and they don't have any sort of shyness within them. On the flip side, they may display duality of sorts. They may be also lazy with a marked tendency of beating around the bush. Career traits. They are very chatty. They just love to communicate. Talk, talk, and talk are their only motto. So, the profession that can help them to make them chat or make them talk with people or to express their views, express their emotion with people, or express anything that were in their mind are best for them. Some career options for them are teaching, sales, writing, presenting of emceeing, investing, acting, product development, journalism, newscasting, radio jockey, etc. Now, after knowing all this, we can say that Gemini Rashi's women are have versatility in their characteristics. Compatible signs are, as I told you earlier, that are with Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Aquarius. Now, Gemini woman traits, if we discuss it in details, dynamic and adjustable. They are the people that accept the situation they are facing. Thus, they will be very good wife. They are broad-minded, mindful, and believe in enjoying every moment of life. They have the ability to adapt and adjust to the changing scenario and condition of life as they are receptor of change. They possess a flexible demeanor that can flip in a short of time. They are highly flexible and don't want to miss a single thing in life. They are dynamic minded and soul are constantly aching to learn. They will never linger around in the boring and dull exchange. Instead, they are happily be involved in tasks to reposition their thought and get new information. They are versatile. They are capable of handling many tasks at a time. They are very excited when they have to do variety of things. They love to try new things and expert in it. They will never engage themselves in a mundane task. They love to have an adaptable life and are a socialist who prefer to spend time with people. They are very open minded and open hearted when it comes to friendship. They are a social butterfly. They are very welcoming and friendly to people. They can speak to strangers spontaneously and at ease. They will always be talking whether whatever they go to discuss the ideas, they gather new ideas and information. They are very enthusiastic, adventurous, and full of life. They strive to achieve new things and position in their life by adding all of their energies and enthusiasm at work. They are very soft spoken and they are blessed with wonderful communication skill. They are the queen of conversation as they are ruled by Mercury. They love to live the life to the fullest. They will go for a ride and an adventurous trip. They will have lot of guts and stamina in them, and there are very few people can keep up to it. They will not linger too long doing one thing or task of or experiencing another. Life is too short and time is always flying for them as they want to experience the finest thing in the world. The constant ticking sound of the clock will move in their head. They will act like butterflies, always moving from one place to another for enjoying and experiencing new things. They are very extremely clever and possess the ability to discuss any subject under the sun. They are happy to gain knowledge even in the school of hard rock and always strive to achieve excellence. They lack decision making ability. They will simply and quickly change their mind for the good things they want in life. They are very fickle minded and responsibility will not come to them easily. They are a visionary who is happy to outsource work that requires too much attention. They are not a good planner as you see that all things from them are too many angles and all things they can keep evaluating things without arriving to the decision. Gemini woman in love and relationship is cute, very enthusiastic, feminine and charming. They are constantly in motion, busy, loud, talkative and explodes from the slightest excuse. They are unable to be in love and relationship once they are starting getting bored. They cannot tolerate monotony and mediocrity in love and relationship. They will attract your partner. They will attract the partner with their quick wit, intelligence. How and now, if you are a male person and you want to attract a Gemini woman, you have to understand that her dual nature is the main thing in her character. You have to be a very good listener, give her lot of space and make her laugh because she loves to be in fun living moment. She wants to have fun in their life and you have to give her a lots of space because if you want to impress her you need to give her a lot of space. You need to trust her completely and not act possessively. They should not pressurize her into commitments and not ask too many private questions because Gemini woman hates to give their innermost feeling, knowledge or innermost ideas of thinking to the person at first meeting or in some first meeting. So as they are very gregarious and free spirited, so never try to own her. Now, these are some of the qualities of Gemini woman. If you think you can relate these topics of a Gemini woman characteristics with a Gemini woman, or if you are the Gemini woman who are reading and who are just now listening to my characteristic review of a Gemini woman characters, then please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.